All right, so I just got my Alienware laptop, and I'm really excited because this is my first Alienware. It is the 15-inch, and it's pretty awesome. So it's 8th generation Intel i7. Oh my God. Kayla, look at this.
Looks like you're unearthing an alien tomb.
I know, look at that. Oh my. And it's really well packed. Like, it came all the way from China. Like, this is like really thick, so you can't, like, that ain't moving around. Oh wow. I needed 2 hands to do that because this thing is a complete monster, so I wanted to be able to do that without breaking it. All right, so we have everything here. It's really clean. It's really beautiful. It's actually black on the inside, but then there's like the silver on the outside, which I kind of like a lot. So that way, you know, when the colors light up, and let's see if it starts. So, do I press this? Is that what? Yeah. Oh. Oh my God. What? No. No way. Come on. This is gorgeous. Holy shit. Oh my God. Can I touch this? What? Oh my God.
It's the Michael Jackson light up dance floor of computers.
I am having chills right now. Like.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
No, fuck you, Katana.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Oh my God, the lights on the
Use
sides.
your voice or the keyboard along the way.
Whoa, just let me freak out over this for 5 seconds. Oh my God. Okay, so we're gonna take it around to over here. And oh my God. Kayla, isn't this thing gorgeous? Like,
that's amazing.
That is the coolest laptop I've ever owned.
Size is the coolest thing.
I have waited so long, my precious. I mean, it's really, really nice. It's perfect for me to be able to do my work that I have to do, my game design and everything. And oh my God, it turns on when you touch it and then it turns off. That is freaking awesome. I saw a guy do this where he had it all rainbow colored. So you can change the LED lighting on this so that it's just all rainbows and stuff. And I'll get that working. I'll show you guys what that looks like. All right, guys, this is it. I set it so that way now it has the rainbow effect. And it is incredible. This is incredibly awesome. I can't. This is insane. Even my cat is freaking out right now. Look at that shit. Oh my God. And like, what's fun about Windows 10 is that I have it on my other PC. And when I signed in, it already had my Phoenix Undying background on it. So that was pretty awesome to see when I signed in. But I love this. Like, all right, so let's talk about the screen. The screen is really solid. It's a beautiful screen. I didn't even get like an extreme upgrade or anything. Like, you can get the 4K, but you'll be paying a lot of money for that. I didn't get that. So to me, I think the screen is actually beautiful. There's no, like, you don't see a lot of texturing, you know, like from just the screen. I have another Dell, and the screen has like lines and stuff. You can like see where the textures are, and it's just not that fun when I'm designing. But on this, it's really nice. You know, it's not gonna be like blinding me in my eyes half the time, because when you do work for hours on your computer, you just don't want like this big bright 4K screen kind of coming in at you, you know. It's great, you know. I have that in my other PC, but I noticed that it really drives me nuts. But I love the freaking mouse pad. Like, that thing is awesome. You can have it set to shut off or turn on or whatever you want, and then you can change these colors for whatever you want. And they even have themes. So if you're like playing Mass Effect, you can change the color themes to like blue and red, and you know, you can have this blue, you can have that red, and like over here you can have that red or something, and then change the keyboard colors to whatever you want. This PC is amazing. I mean, this laptop is amazing, and it's probably the coolest laptop I've ever earned. I mean, definitely the coolest laptop I've ever owned ever. So it's so awesome. It looks like something out of Deus Ex. And guys, I'm freaking out because this is so awesome to me. Like, I don't think people understand. Like, I don't think anyone really would understand unless you know, you love this sort of stuff. And for me, this is like one of the coolest things. And I don't know why I never invested in this before, but yeah, I got the 15-inch. It's the R4. It is 8th generation i7. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM. It has like one of the newest graphics cards. I think it's the 1070. It's definitely friggin' badass. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video of me unboxing probably the coolest laptop I've ever owned, and I love it. It's so out of something out of Deus Ex. Like, it just feels like you're gonna go like hack into this and like I'm gonna have like a Deus Ex background or something. It just looks so awesome. So yeah, that's my laptop. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.